Got that knee patched up now. I just need to put a patch right here. And eventually I am going to try to fill these in over the years with nothing but felt patches until the entire outside is covered with felts, and then it'll last forever. Yeah, these will be my winter pants for the rest of my life. In a shit hitting the fan scenario, you're gonna need at least 2 pairs of pants. One to wear while you're patching the other ones. There's little other things that I can utilize these smaller patches for that are the result of making my felted wool clothing. I need something to do with them. I have like 100 of these patches. So felt patchwork survival clothing. Felt lasts so much longer than leather. It's so much easier to sew on. It's more insulative. It doesn't rot. It stays flexible and supple without you having to like condition it yearly. Yeah, survival pants. Survival pants. Yes! I got a new pair of shoes. I just posted on my local Buy Nothing Facebook group, asking if anyone had any newer pair of Keens around size 11, and I'm set for another 2 years. The shoes lasted me 2 years, and I got them used. So, and these are in better condition than those were, so these should last 2 years. I just need to make my post-apocalyptic shoes. I've made felted wool sandals many times before out of my thick felts, and they last about 6 months. And I've also made my own felted wool boots, but again, the soles I left as regular wool, so they didn't last very long. I need to start making my own felted wool shoes with door mats attached to the bottom that can be replaced and extend the lifespan of the felted footwear. I think the felted boots were really difficult to make. I can't see those being any easier to attach door mats or rubber soles to. So I think what I'm going to go for next winter is making my own felted wool sandals and attaching the door mats to them, to the bottom, and then I plan on making thick felted wool socks that have a split in the toe so that I can wear the sandals with thick felted wool socks. And I'm going to see how those go next winter. Yeah. This is my survival clothing update.